Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable of the lecture, Mr. Jazulifa, and also all my friends. Good morning. This lovely morning, please let me introduce myself. My name is Septian Febriansyah, NPM 21 22 20 10 11. I'm from Civil Engineering Study Program at Muhammadiyah Tangerang University. In this time, I would like to present the article from Slamet Sarifuddin with the title, The Benefit of Civil Engineering in the Lives of People and Economics of Nations. This is the article before and after editing. Introduction, editorial skill in English Publisher, Basic Language Learning, PBLL, editing. Instruction number 1, use the red ink pen to mark your editorial finding. Number 2, write the name of manuscript writer within the box. Number 3, write your name as an editor within the editor's box. And number 4, write the title of manuscript. Number 5, treat the draft as an accepted manuscript to the editorial department. And number 6, edit the manuscript by using the editorial settings. And number 7, put the number of your editorial finding, mechanical, substantive, pictorial, within the box right side. And number 8, write your verbal verification, either suggestion, comment, or input for the manuscript improvement. And number 9, give your editorial judgment about manuscript from the perspective of pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, publishing, marketing, and delivering. And number 10, good luck, your best. Writer Slamet Sarifuddin from Civil Engineering, editor Septian Febriansyah from Civil Engineering. Title of manuscript, The Benefit of Civil Engineering in the Lives of People and Economics of Nations. And next, the first part types. Civil engineering itself is a branch of studying engineering on how to design, build, renovate not only buildings and infrastructure, but also includes environment for well human life. The first reading error was in itself and also itself remove space and also to be also. And number 2, the first building used the concept of civil engineering in Egypt and the Great Wall of the China. The second error in reading first and China, which is correct, is the first at the letter T and China for the letter C using capital letters. And number 3, I'm interested in civil scans because civil engineering has a broad scope. Instead, much more key about knowledge of mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, geology, environment, and computers. And all that scans is useful to human life. And number 3, the future error, civil writing does not need to use capital letters at the beginning of the sentence. The geology of the letter I is replaced with the letter I, and the computer is at the letter S. And number 4, civil engineering scans is so important. Next, error rating important, which shall be important. And number 5, civil engineering was first applied by John Smeaton in 1756. And the next mistake, operating the names of people prefix using capital letter. And civil engineering to develop in China since 4,000 years. The future China private using capital letters. And number 7, infrastructure is driving gear or economic growth. And number 7, next error of infrastructure, delete the letters I becomes infrastructure. And number 8, a civil engineering term was first put on by John Smeaton, a British national builder. The next mistakes, operating national prefix using capital letters. And next, part 2, words. Function of civil engineering is to apply scientific knowledge to improve infrastructure and common utilities that meet basic human needs. Becomes the function of civil engineering is to apply scientific knowledge to improve infrastructure and common utilities that meet basic human needs. And number 2, infrastructure is driving gear of economic growth. Becomes infrastructure is the driving gear of economic growth. And number 3, for example, in one activity, an infrastructure project will raise, uplift, and economically from rock labor, merchant, tradesmen, etc. For example, in one activity, an infrastructure project will raise an uplift and economically kick from rock labor, merchant, tradesmen, and etc. And number 4, it's going to trigger new business idea emerged and that enable people to invest. Becomes it's going to trigger the business ideas that emerged and that enable people to invest. And number 5. And the concepts is we need to prefer human resource for meet the needs of civil engineering in providing infrastructure. Becomes, and the conclusion is we need to prepare human resource to meet to need for civil engineering in providing infrastructure. And number 6, which we have now that any increased infrastructure will both grow macroeconomically as well as micro. Becomes, which we know that any increased infrastructure will both grow macroeconomically as well as micro. And next, some sort of structure like the Eddystone, like house built, becomes some sort of structure like the Eddystone, like house building. And the next, before we discuss about the benefits of civil in various fields, let us understand what civil engineering and its history are. Becomes, before we discuss of the benefits of civil in various fields, let us understand what civil engineering and its history are. And let's next. Phrase 0, clause 0, and function. How does infrastructure affects people welfare? Give space in infrastructure affects sentence. And number 2, a civil engineering term was first put on by John Smeaton, a British national builder. This, the second end of the sentence should be a point, not a comma. Okay. In the next part 3 or comma. For example, in one activity. To this error, after using the comma, a new space is written the next sentence. For example, comma, give space in one activity. And the next, number 2, sustainability, developing. Sustainability, comma, give space, developing. And number 3, tracement, comma, etc. Give space after comma. And number 4, new business ideas emerged and that enable people to invest. The business ideas emerged, comma, and give space and that enable people to invest. And the next, that is fiscal sustainability, comma, developing the credit market. That is fiscal sustainability, comma, give a space, developing the credit market. And the next, civil in various fields, comma, let use understand. And becomes civil in various fields, comma, give space, let use understand. And next, comma is comma R. And is R after comma, give a space. And the next, noun, comma, adjective, comma, adverb. Noun, comma, give space, adjective, comma, give space, adverb. And the next, she, comma, he, comma, it. She, comma, give space, he, comma, give space, it. Next, colon, 0, semicolon 0, preposition 0, diction 0, and substantive editing, content accuracy. The content of the manuscript comes from an article entitled The Benefit of Civil Engineering in Community Life and the Nation's Economy. This article was taken from the internet and is written, searched for 5V and 1/2. Verbal, nominal, and present tense, and translated by Slamet Sarifuddin. Language consistency, articles use formal language that is easy for readers to understand. And number 3, message originality. The author explained the history of civil engineering and infrastructure development carried out by people in the field of civil engineering to facilitate community activities. And number 4, readers' interest. This article is interest for civil engineering students and the general public to know more about civil engineering. Coherence 0, pictorial editing and stuff. Harmony 0, balancing 0, white space 0, color 0. Verbal verification. My Adif, this article will be more interesting if add with some picture. For example, a picture of bridge that is being used by the community. It will make it interesting to read, not only contents reading, maybe some people will find it boring. Editorial judgment. From the correction and editing that I did myself, there were several reading errors ranging from sentence to function mark. The author must be deterred at reading these articles so that readers can understand the purpose of reading this article. And the next, thanks for watching. Okay, everyone, that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.